Hey, this is Ryan from Web Eminence with a 3-minute tips video. I'm going to cover the new Google Ads interface. So obviously one of the big things that changed is the interface itself, or the way it looks. Probably the biggest change is now, in addition to this left sidebar, they also added this menu. A lot of these items were across the top, which took up a lot of space. So this took some getting used to, but I really love how this dark menu sidebar on the left can be collapsed by either clicking this arrow, or you can press Shift W to open and close it. Another thing I love about this new interface, this might be one of my favorite things, and a lot of people might not realize it, but you can either click this expand, no, it's right here, this expand button here, to expand the data. So if you're looking at like a keyword list and you want to look at a lot of columns, you can use the full width of your screen, or you can just press F on your keyboard to toggle that on and off. In terms of navigation, there's some improvements. A lot of people will like the keyboard shortcuts, and if you click on the question mark help icon, you can go to keyboard shortcuts and check out the ones that are available and see if any of these will work for you. One of the main ones I use is GC, which is Go to Campaigns. So that takes you to the main campaign screen, and this comes in handy, for example, if you're a couple layers deep, or maybe on the conversions page, for example, and you can't see campaigns here, so you take a few clicks to get back. I can just hit GC on my keyboard and it's going to take me to my campaign screen. Another useful one is GT, which is Go to a page, and you can search for a page. You know, maybe you forgot where it is in the settings and you just know the name of it, so you could search for something, for example conversion settings, and then just click on it, it'll take you there. So two other features that I'll mention, one of them is if you click on a single campaign and then click on this overview, which is the first option in this light menu, it gives you a nice overview of a campaign. You can get this for your full account, but if you do it for a single campaign, you will get this cool map that you probably won't see anywhere else, and you can expand it and it'll show you a view, kind of a heat map of impressions or clicks depending on what you choose right here. And the last tip I'll mention was actually in the old interface, but it's just one of those things that's kind of hidden. A lot of people probably don't utilize it, but it'll be helpful for people who don't spend a lot of time in their account. You can create these automated rules, and there's a lot of them. But one example would be creating a campaign rule, and you could have it pause campaigns, or let's just say send an email when specific campaigns hit a certain spend, for example. So if a campaign goes over $500, you could actually have it pause and then send you an email to alert you automatically. So you can check out rules and see if those are going to help you monitor your campaigns and not have to spend so much time checking on, in this case, your spend. So not all those are new features, but hopefully that helps you appreciate the new interface more, get the most out of it. Tell me what you like about this new Google Ads interface. Comment on the video, let us know what you like, and then what are some things you don't like. Maybe Google will check this out and make some fixes in the future. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.